Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to increase your volume above 100% in Ubuntu. I don't recommend doing this always because it can potentially harm your speaker. Do this only if you have a media that has low volume. This can help boost the volume a little bit. So what you have to do is to go to your settings. Here navigate to sound, and here you can see where it says over-amplification. Allow volume to exceed 100% with reduced sound quality. So turn this on. When you do that, you can now increase the volume above 100%. When you increase the volume above 100%, you're going to see the icon over here is going to change. So like I said earlier, don't do this always. Do it only if you have a particular media that have low volume. So anyway, that's how to increase your volume above 100% in Ubuntu. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.